boost egg production and save big. Ferment chicken feed in 3 simple steps. This is what this video is all about. How to ferment chicken feed in 3 simple steps. Ferment chicken feed to boost egg production and growth of your broilers and laying birds. Fermenting chicken feed is a natural and cost-effective way of improving poultry health, enhance digestion, and increase productivity. This simple process unlocks more nutrients in the feed, making it easier for chickens to absorb essential vitamins, minerals, and proteins. Fermented feed also supports gut health by introducing beneficial probiotics, leading to improved immune function, better weight gain in broilers, and high egg production in laying birds. In this video, I'm going to give you the step-by-step guide and processes to ferment chicken feed, the benefit of fermented chicken feed over dry feed, and how to ferment feed to enhance broiler growth and layers egg production. Please, you can see that this particular topic is overloaded. This content is overloaded, so watch to the end. Don't skip. If you skip, you are missing. Ferment chicken feed, 3 simple steps. How to ferment poultry feed in 3 simple steps. First step is prepare the feed and the container. Choose a high quality poultry feed, crumbles, pellet, or mash. Place the feed in a clean food grade plastic bucket or container. Feed the container with water until the feed is fully submerged. Use non-chlorinated water to avoid killing bacteria that are beneficial to the fermentation process and the health of your poultry birds. When you're talking about chlorinated, you can use well water or river water. It's good. Instead of using public pump. Step 2. Start the fermentation process. Stir the mixture thoroughly to ensure all the feed is soaked. Then add enzymes or probiotics. You can as well add molasses also. This will help the fermentation process. Make sure you stir the fermented feed on daily basis. Leave it to ferment for 24 to 72 hours in a warm area. Keep it under the sun so that it will be hot a bit. Stir the mixture 1 to 2 daily. Step 3. Feed the chicken after the fermentation process. After fermenting the feed, it should have a slightly sour taste or smell or mushy texture. Drain excess water. Remove the excess water. You can use the excess water to water your vegetables. It serves as an organic manure also. Then feed only what they can consume in one meal to prevent spoilage. This is what you need to do if you are going into feeding fermented feed to your poultry birds. What are the advantages of fermented feed over dry feed? I'm going to give you 10. Then this 10 will guide you to know why you should now ferment your feed. 1 is better nutrient absorption. Fermentation breaks down anti-nutrients, making vitamins and minerals more bioavailable in poultry feed. Strong gut health. Fermented feed contains probiotics that improve digestion and immunity. Less feed wastage. Chickens eat more efficiently, leading to lower feed costs. Better hydration. Moist texture keep chickens hydrated, reducing water intake. Improved feather quality. Higher nutrient availability result in shinier, healthier feathers of your poultry and livestock animals. Boosted immunity system. Probiotics help to reduce disease risk in poultry and livestock. Since it is abundant in fermented feed, you gain a lot. Lower feed cost. Enhanced digestion means birds eat less but gain more weight from the little quantity they have eaten. Reduced bad odor in waste. Improved digestion leads to less smelly droppings. Higher egg production. Layers produce more and larger eggs with quality egg yolk and egg shells. faster growth in broilers. Fermented feed improves weight gain and feed conversion efficiency in broiler farming. How fermented feed boosts broiler growth and layers egg production. 1. Fast weight gain. Fermented feed enhances nutrient absorption, leading to better muscle development and larger body size of broilers and egg-laying birds. It improves feed conversion ratio. Birds grow bigger on less feed, reducing production cost. Stronger immunity. Probiotics prevent digestive issues and infections, leading to lower mortality rates in poultry. For layers, increased egg production. The nutrient-rich fermented feed stimulates egg-laying hormones, and this produces larger egg and multiple number of eggs. Larger and higher quality eggs, egg shells, and improved yolk color. Better health and longevity. Layers stay productive for longer period due to a better digestion and immunity of the birds. Fermented feed is a simple and powerful way to boost production, cut cost, and improve the chicken health, whether you are raising broilers for meat or layers for eggs. Incorporating fermented feed into their diet can lead to bigger profit and healthier flock. Would you like to feed fermented feed to your chickens? Are you into broiler farming? Are you into layers farming? Tell me on the comment section. Let me guide you. Fermented feed is superb. You can as well ferment pawpaw stem. You can ferment banana stem and feed to your chickens. You don't feed them directly. You mix it with commercial feed or do it yourself feed in your farm and serve to your poultry birds and get massive results within a short period of time. If this video interests you and you have gained knowledge from this video, please give it a thumb up, like, share, and drop your comment on the comment section. If you have anything bothering you in your farming operation, please let's discuss on the comment section. And if you want more of this type of video, tell me the kind of video you want on the comment section. I will produce the video for you and also teach others. Thank you for watching this video till now. If you have gained anything, please subscribe to this channel and activate the bell notification. Also subscribe to our channel membership. You gain a lot. You have unlimited access to our contact and online training. Share the video and let the video reach more from us. All your platforms, all your handles, let the video reach more from us so that they will gain the same knowledge you have gotten from this particular video. For now, till the next video is uploaded, say bye.